Hello, my name is Carolina Betancourt, and in this opportunity I would like to share with you some characteristics of the qualitative research so we can compare with this article and identify what kind of methodology they use. One of the purposes of the qualitative research is to understand and interpret the reality as it is understood by the subjects participating in the context study. And in the article, Developing Skills on EFL English course by Citra Prisky Abadi, she interviews some students and teachers, so that is the evidence that she is looking for the information inside the context. And that's a very important part in the quality research is to find people that really have enough knowledge about the phenomenon that they are studying. So in this case, she studied a phenomenon in the classroom. In this opportunity, she used a ethnographic methodology where is direct involve the researcher. In quality work is intended to explore human behaviors within the context of their natural occurrence, according to Bolton and Bilken 1992 and Erickson 1963. One of the characteristics of quality research is to identify people who have sufficient knowledge about the subjects and the ability to answer the questions in a way that contributes to research. Not all qualitative research is done with the symbolic interactionist framework, but all qualitative research is about understanding the meaning individual constructs in order to participate in their social lives. So we can see that in this article she explains about what methodology she used, and she used an ethnographic study. They recording the class, they observe, and they use some questions and to different persons. The kind of data that they collect are objects, pictures, and detailed descriptions that cannot be reduced to numbers without distorting the essence of the social meanings they represent. Qualitative reports are usually complex and detailed narratives that include the voices of the participants being studied. In the article, she select the variables, different factors that she consider are the variables. And these variables are some factors that determine the effective and developing speaking skills activities in class and outside class. They have the findings and discussions. When they finish to collect the data, they do this part and have some conclusions about the information. So I think it's clear that for this article they use the ethnography methodology to find the conclusions and interpret the data. Thank you.